Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Sounds of the Valley, where I bring you the finest musical talent from the Chippewa Valley area. As always, I'm your host, Evan Clamar, and tonight I'm very excited to bring you local emo pop-punk band Homestretch, featuring Simon Butler on vocals and guitar, Jared Standiford on bass, and Mason Cager on drums. It's great to have you guys on. I'll let you take it from here.
This set goes out to Dr. LaFoon. I skipped her class to be here. This song's called Alt Girl.
Pull an old girl, make her my whole world. The Necronomicon, got it at Comic-Con, reading it all damn day, trying to figure out what you think. Let's go! Wanna put on go, kicking nuts and busting throats, but you will never know what it's like when you don't know. Things really aren't so bad. Just looking at what you have, do you believe in love outside your room? Me, I've been there too. Wanna pull an old girl, man that doesn't know that the forbidden fruit doesn't fall far from the tree. Things really aren't so bad. Just getting to know your dad. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Oh, girls, you rule my world. Listen to Deftones, to a lady I don't know.
Thank you. We are Homestretch. We just came out with this song in November. It's called Four Course Goodbye.
Let's go! Goodbye, dinners, exit breakfast. After this, you won't see me again. Full of lies, you ask for seconds, just to excuse yourself again. When you turn off at the next exit, will you think of the town you stayed in? Begging for good times like a dog. Find peace in your condition and this song. I don't wanna go, book a table for four, table for four. You're not right there next to me. Did you even know that our love is for sure, love is for sure? And you were right there next to me. Goodbye, dinners, exit breakfast. After this, you won't see me again. Full of lies, you ask for a second, just to excuse yourself again. I don't wanna go, book a table for four, table for four. You're not right there next to me. Did you even know that our love is for sure, love is for sure? You were right there next to me.
This song's called Carvin' Marvin.
Round and round she goes, carving to who the hell knows, until the sun goes down. Phone it's ringing for time he spent away from home and his loved ones. I'm out of control, out of my mind, wasting my time in a concrete bowl. Out of control, out of my mind, wasting my time in a concrete bowl. Few winters ago, arguing in the top room, where to go from here. Anywhere but here, as long as Marvin isn't near. Take me away from him. Do you know what you do to me? Do you know what you do to me? I'm out of control, out of my mind, wasting my time in a concrete bowl. Out of control, out of my mind, wasting my time in a concrete. I'm out of control, out of my mind, wasting my time in a concrete bowl. Out of control, out of my mind, wasting my time in a concrete bowl.
This next song is called Pen.
Take this pen, do what you want with it, lose your mind with it. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. This is my pen, I get really high with it, write my rhymes with it. Watch it go, watch it go, watch it go, watch it go, watch it go. This is my pen, I waste my time with it, I get really high with it. Watch it go, watch it go, watch it go, watch it go. Take a break from all you hate, from things that bring you pain. Fuck, delete it, defeat it, delete it, defeat it. Take a break from all you hate, from things that bring you pain. Fuck, delete it, defeat it, delete it, defeat it. Take a break from all you hate, from things that bring you pain. Fuck, delete it, defeat it, delete it, defeat it. Take a break from all you hate, from things that bring you pain. Fuck, delete it, defeat it, delete it, defeat it. Take a break from all you hate, from things that bring you pain. Fuck, delete it, defeat it, delete it, defeat it.
We wrote those last 4 songs, and we didn't write this one. And we've been playing it together since. We should have wrote this one since 2019. Once again, we are home stretch. The song's called Scotty Doesn't Know. Scotty doesn't know that Fiona and me do it in my van every Sunday. Tells him she's in church, but she doesn't come, so she's on her knees, and Scotty doesn't know. Oh, Scotty doesn't know. Oh, don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Fiona says she's out shopping, but she's under me and I'm not stopping. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Can't believe he's so trusty, while I'm right behind you, thrusted. Helena's got him on the phone, and she's trying not to moan. It's a 3-way call, he knows nothing. No, Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty. We'll put on a show. Everyone will go. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. The parking lot, why not? So cool when you're on top. Gone in the snow. Life is so hard 'cause Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. I did her on TV 10. Doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty. We'll put on a show. Everyone will go. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty will never know.